Do you know what protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation? The sun emits ultraviolet rays that can be dangerous to all living organisms. But fear not, our planet isn't left defenseless. Fortunately, we have a natural shield protecting us, the ozone layer. The ozone layer, a layer of ozone high up in the Earth's atmosphere, serves as our protector. It's like an invisible umbrella, located in the stratosphere about 6 to 30 miles above the Earth's surface. This layer is a planetary treasure, as it absorbs the majority of the sun's harmful ultraviolet or UV radiation. By doing so, it prevents these damaging rays from reaching us down here on Earth. Imagine the ozone layer as a giant pair of sunglasses for our planet. Just as sunglasses reduce the amount of UV radiation that hits your eyes, the ozone layer reduces the amount of UV radiation that hits the Earth's surface. This protective function is vital for life on Earth. It helps reduce the risk of skin cancer and cataracts in humans, and it also shields the environment and ecosystems from harmful radiation. Without the ozone layer, life as we know it would be impossible. Our ozone layer is a precious resource, and we must protect it. Certain human activities, like the release of industrial gases, can deplete this critical shield. But the story doesn't end there. International efforts, like the Montreal Protocol, have shown us that we can make a difference. This agreement phased out substances that were once causing harm to our ozone layer. By understanding and respecting the vital role the ozone layer plays, we can contribute to its preservation for future generations. So what did we learn today? We've discovered the sun's UV radiation can be harmful, yet the ozone layer serves as a crucial shield, absorbing these rays. It's vital for life on Earth, and we must actively work to prevent its depletion. Remember, the ozone layer is our shield against the sun's harmful rays. Let's do our part to protect it.